shape. So which shape is this? This is sphere. It is a 3D shape. It is a 3D shape. So this is sphere. Ball is a sphere. What is this? It's a globe. This is a sphere. Lollipop is a sphere. No, this is not a sphere. Yes, it is a sphere. So we have the sphere things. Then we have sphere things. So, which shape is this? It is sphere. We have sphere shape. It is a 3D shape. So, kids are playing with sphere ball. We have sphere sun. We have sphere candy. Oh, that's a lollipop. Yes. So which shape is this? This shape is sphere shape.